My highlight from IROS so far is meeting everyone, different people from different countries, Italy, France, with lots of passion and interest in robotics. So seeing that common interest and be able to communicate in the same level, it's really nice to see.
Keynotes, that many famous professors to give their suggestions and advice and thoughts about the robotics in the future. And yes, this is my favorite thing.
The highlight of the conference, I think, has been the presentation from Dr. Kim from MIT, the Shida robot. It was really insightful, and the research that they've done it's really impressive.
It's just great to meet so many people that are working in a similar, on similar work.
You know, a lot of the papers here are relatively academic, but people are also applying them in industry. So I think just seeing like things moving forward side by side and actually like coming to fruition with robotics is pretty cool.
I really like coming to IROS because it is a really big conference where top-notch research is presented, and it's a great opportunity for young researchers to come and do networking.
It covers a wide range of topics, so actually it's interesting to not only see people that are working in the exact same niche as I am, but like more general topics that are hot at the moment.
I think with IROS, you kind of just see everybody that's making these contributions in person, rather than having to talk to them over the phone or email. They're all right here. So anything really innovative and new, you can just go meet the people and get their thoughts very directly.
I saw the whole community of PhD students coming together and sharing the latest research. I feel like it's an incredible opportunity to, have your ideas checked with the others and see where you're at compared to the state of the art. I think it's an amazing opportunity.